sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. Can he put it away? Goal!
Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Saul, as he picked him out. Everybody is talking about this major new managerial appointment. It's hard not to join in that conversation. What do you think he'll bring to them, Jim?
Well, Peter, he's a manager with a big personality and proven pedigree, so he should get these players dancing to his tune pretty quickly.
There has been just the early goal here, and it's 1-0. He'll have a dip! He's scored! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight! Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
It's rarely a problem when that much time is afforded in the penalty box. Nobody sensed where the danger was lurking, and the finish was made a lot easier.
So the lead now is 2.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Now it's Saul. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Gabriel Jesus! And that has been clubbed away. Forward it goes. Isco, and it's Sterling. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Gabriel Jesus. Sterling. Shot! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
It was more possible than probable, and the outcome backed it up, Peter.
And it's Neymar. Now it's Sterling. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? Sterling looking to get on the end of this. Gets up to head it! Well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Surely, it has a hit! And it's there! And they are cruising away. Terrific audacity, just gorgeous skill.
Well, the goalkeeper would have helped to make his mind up on how he was going to finish it.
He's made it 3, quite a day at the office for him.
This is one of the best performances I've seen in a while. He's practically taken on this team single-handedly, and they don't know how to stop him.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Isco. Sterling threads one through. Shoots! Managed to get it away. Oh, and with that, the half-time whistle goes. Well, there's plenty that can be said about the last 45 minutes, but one thing that cannot be said is that it's dull. One-sided, yes, but packed with excitement.
This looks well and truly sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said if there's a spectacular turnaround.
Really has been an astonishing game, peppered with goals. Cannot help feeling that the second half will supply more. We're already back underway here. He's got away. He's come loose. Isco. Coutinho, who does have an assist to his name. Hoists it high. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. He's gone for it. He has done it. Players ecstatic. Fans delirious. This is utopian.
I think he just thought about trying his luck from further out there, but why bother when you can worm your way through a defence like that? It's terrific play to get through and score.
4 in the game. He is the man. And it's Neymar. Now it's Sterling. Isco. Gabriel Jesus. Laporte gets into the right position to intercept. Philippe Coutinho spreads it towards the left. Now it's Sterling. Isco. And it's Sterling. Shakes the shoots. And in it goes. And still they continue with the onslaught.
Listen, when you're on an invitation to improve your goal difference, why ease off?
Neymar. Sterling. Neymar. Gabriel Jesus. He's left his man. Out to the left it goes. Going through. That intervention was very necessary. Cruyff. And it's got through. Di Maria. He's got away. Thiago Silva with a fine tackle. Good run. Ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Now it's Sterling. Over to the left. He's left his man. It's a brilliant interception. De Gea gets good distance on it. And it's Bale. Bale going through. Mbappe. Cruyff. And he's surging through. Very well to intervene. Laporte sends it forward with interest. And that is that. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. Your reflections then, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan.
Kisah ini belumlah berakhir, walau kau tolak aku berulang kali. Jelas kau tidak mengerti. Aku lelaki yang pantas dimiliki. Lihat aku, semua rasaku hanya untukmu.